Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is changing how we think about money. It's a new system built on blockchain technology. What makes DeFi special? It removes the need for banks and other middlemen. Imagine a world where you control your money. You can lend, borrow, and earn interest without needing permission. This is the promise of DeFi. It's open to everyone, anywhere in the world, 24/7. DeFi is still young, but it's growing rapidly. More and more people are realizing its potential. From farmers in India to artists in Europe, DeFi is creating opportunities. This new world of finance can be confusing. This essay will explain some key DeFi strategies. We will look at the risks and rewards, and we will explore why DeFi is relevant in today's world. Staking is a simple way to earn passive income with your cryptocurrency. Think of it like putting your money in a savings account, but instead of a bank, you're securing a blockchain network. Here's how it works. You hold your cryptocurrency in a digital wallet. This wallet interacts with the blockchain. By staking your crypto, you're helping to validate transactions. In return for your contribution, you receive rewards. These rewards are typically paid in the same cryptocurrency you stake. It's like earning interest on your initial investment. Staking is becoming very popular. It's a great way to support a blockchain you believe in, and it can provide you with a steady stream of passive income. Like any investment, staking comes with risks. It's essential to understand these before you start. One risk is market volatility. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate significantly. If the price of your staked crypto drops, you could lose money. Another risk is slashing. Slashing is a penalty that can occur on some blockchains. It happens if a validator, the person or entity staking the crypto, acts dishonestly or makes mistakes. This can result in a loss of staked funds. However, staking also offers potential rewards. The most obvious is the passive income you can earn. This can be a great way to grow your crypto holdings over time. Another reward is the potential for price appreciation. If the value of your staked cryptocurrency goes up, your investment will grow. Liquidity mining is another exciting aspect of DeFi. It involves providing liquidity to a decentralized exchange, or DEX. DEXs are platforms where you can trade cryptocurrencies without a central authority. To participate in liquidity mining, you deposit 2 or more cryptocurrencies into a liquidity pool. This pool is used to facilitate trades on the DEX. Traders pay fees to use the pool. As a liquidity provider, you earn a share of these fees. The more liquidity you provide, the more rewards you can earn. Liquidity mining can be very profitable. It's important to note that the value of your deposited assets can fluctuate. This is because you are exposed to the price movements of the cryptocurrencies in the pool. Section 5. Risks and rewards of liquidity. Mining. Liquidity mining, like all DeFi strategies, has risks. One significant risk is impermanent loss. This occurs when the value of your deposited assets changes relative to each other. If the price of one asset in the pool increases significantly more than the other, you could experience impermanent loss. This means you would have been better off holding the assets separately. Another risk is smart contract vulnerabilities. Liquidity pools are governed by smart contracts. These are pieces of code that automate the process. If there's a bug in the smart contract, it could be exploited by hackers. This could result in the loss of your deposited funds. Despite these risks, liquidity mining offers rewards. You can earn a high yield on your crypto assets. This can be much higher than traditional savings accounts or other investment options. Section 6. NFT-backed loans. Unlocking the value of digital assets. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are unique digital assets. They represent ownership of digital or physical items. NFTs have exploded in popularity. They are used for everything from art and collectibles to gaming and virtual real estate. NFT-backed loans allow you to borrow cryptocurrency using your NFTs as collateral. This unlocks the value of your NFTs without having to sell them. Here's how it works. You deposit your NFT into a lending platform. The platform assesses the value of your NFT. Based on this value, you can borrow a certain amount of cryptocurrency. The loan terms, such as the interest rate and loan duration, will vary depending on the platform and the NFT. If you repay the loan plus interest, you get your NFT back. If you default on the loan, the platform may seize your NFT to cover the lender's losses. NFT-backed loans are a relatively new development in the DeFi space. Section 7. Risks and rewards of NFT-backed loans. NFT-backed loans are still an emerging area of DeFi. As such, they carry certain risks. One risk is the volatility of NFT prices. The value of NFTs can fluctuate significantly, making it difficult to determine the loan-to-value ratio. If the value of your NFT drops significantly, you may risk liquidation. This is where the platform seizes and sells your NFT to recover the loan amount. Another risk is smart contract vulnerabilities. As with other DeFi protocols, NFT lending platforms rely on smart contracts. If there's a vulnerability in the smart contract, it could be exploited by hackers, potentially leading to the loss of your NFT or borrowed funds. Despite these risks, NFT-backed loans offer potential rewards. For borrowers, it provides a way to access liquidity without selling their NFTs. This allows them to retain ownership of their assets while accessing funds. For lenders, it offers a way to earn interest by providing loans. The interest rates on NFT-backed loans can be higher than traditional loans, especially for rare or in-demand NFTs. Section 8. DeFi versus traditional finance, a paradigm shift. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, and traditional finance represent two fundamentally different approaches to managing and interacting with money. Traditional finance relies on centralized institutions like banks, brokerages, and governments to facilitate financial transactions. DeFi, on the other hand, leverages blockchain technology to create a more open, transparent, and accessible financial system. One key difference lies in control and accessibility. Traditional finance gives a lot of power to institutions. They set the rules and control access to financial services. DeFi aims to empower individuals. It gives them more control over their assets and financial decisions. Another crucial difference is transparency. Traditional finance often operates behind closed doors. DeFi, being built on public blockchains, offers transparency. Every transaction is recorded on the blockchain, making it auditable and traceable. DeFi also promotes global financial inclusion. Traditional finance can be exclusionary. DeFi aims to break down these barriers by providing open access to financial services for anyone with an internet connection. Section 9. The future of finance, decentralization and beyond. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is not just a passing trend. It represents a fundamental shift in how we think about and interact with money. As we move towards an increasingly digital and interconnected world, DeFi is poised to play an even more significant role. The future of finance will be shaped by innovation and accessibility. DeFi is at the forefront of this transformation. With its ability to empower individuals, foster financial inclusion, and drive innovation, DeFi has the potential to revolutionize the financial landscape. As we look ahead, we can expect to see continued growth and evolution in the DeFi space. New protocols, applications, and use cases will emerge, further expanding the reach and impact of decentralized finance. From decentralized exchanges and lending platforms to prediction markets and stablecoins, DeFi offers a glimpse into a future where financial services are more accessible, transparent, and equitable. The journey into the world of decentralized finance has just begun. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more content on DeFi and crypto.